Hello, Centennial family. I'm so excited to be here today to lead us through the song We Shall Overcome, which a lot of you have been learning about this week in music class. This was a really important song during the Civil Rights Movement, which was led by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. And as we are celebrating him and honoring his life this week, this song is so appropriate in thinking about the changes that we can make in our communities and in our lives that can bring us to making a better world for everyone. Sing with me. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Let's sing that again. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Let's sing it one last time, just our voices. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Thank you, Centennial family. Happy Martin Luther King Day.